6 fabulous flowering vines to grow in containers. Passion flower is a perennial vining plant, an all-time favorite flowering vine. The flowers are standout gorgeous, a little like a cross between a flower and a spaceship. Passion flowers range in color from red to white, including gorgeous blues and purples. Many of the vines can grow 15 to 30 feet very quickly, grabbing onto trellising with thin tendrils. Passion flowers will bloom all season, though each beautiful blossom lasts only about a day. Prune to keep a reasonable size and make sure your trellising is thin enough for the tendrils to grab onto, or use twine or wire to train the vines. Morning glory is the common name given to a large number of flowering plant species in at least 10 different genera, all in the plant family Convolvulaceae. The morning glories planted in the garden are most commonly the annual species Ipomoea purpurea, Convolvulus purpureus, and their cultivars. This is the common blue-purple morning glory most of us recognize, though cultivars offer additional colors, such as pink and red. A relative to the morning glory, the Cardinal Climber is another beautiful annual vine. It flowers during the daytime and closes up in the evening. The 2-inch cardinal red flowers are glorious, but the real showstopper of this plant is the fern-like leaves, which are both interesting and elegant. A tropical perennial vine normally grown as an annual, black-eyed Susan vine planted in a pot creates a profuse blanket of green foliage dotted with small bright spots of color. They are easy to grow, cheerful, look great, and flower all summer long. Growing from 5 to 10 feet long, this vine prefers well-draining soil and needs to be fertilized during the growing season. Moonflower is a warm-weather perennial vine that is usually grown as an annual. It looks similar to morning glory, with heart-shaped leaves on vigorous vines, but this plant blooms only at night. The large, white flowers unfurl after the sun sets or on cloudy days. This plant is a warm-weather perennial that is normally grown as a container plant that is moved indoors and outdoors with the seasons. The flowers of Mandevilla are beautiful and pinwheel-like. The plants are very fast-growing and flower profusely for the whole growing season. Planted as an annual, they grow 4 to 5 feet in a single season. As a garden perennial, they can achieve 20 feet in length. In colder areas, bring them in during the winter, keeping them on the dry side and taking them outside again once the temperatures reach 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.